The Ctor Library DLL missing message means your code instructions are interrupted. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and we're going to fix your runtime environment now. As we get into the manual process for Ctor Library, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the Ctor Library, a specialized Constructor Helper module. It manages the unmanaged object initialization and memory allocation for specialized application cores. It facilitates the calling of global constructors and handles the setup of unmanaged static variables during the DLL's attachment phase. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. Ctor is a restricted library bundled with the localized application constructor logic engine, and the most reliable recovery method is to run the setup for the host program, giving the error to refresh the internal files. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Ctor library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. If you're attempting to install Ctor Library DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement can lead to severe software conflicts and data corruption. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. Review options for improving responsiveness and system safety by consulting the repair resource linked below for Ctor Library. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Ctor Library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.